Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to another video, team. We're in lockdown, COVID-19's hitting us pretty hard. I'm bored already. So, today, I thought, why not put on my flow kit? Ages ago, you guys probably saw it, we put on the flow kit on Jess's car. Over here. Man, this camera takes ages to zoom. But anyway, those little thingies right there, those little add-ons, my kit, heat, never came with them. So Chris from Flow kindly sent me that kit and all the add-ons and all the stuff to retrofit all the splitters and stuff, all the splitter extensions to my Version 1 kit. And today I'm basically going to show you how to do it, because you have to do a little bit of drilling and put some like rib nutty type things in to hold it all in, because obviously that kit came with all the bolts already in the plastic to hold the splitters to, and mine didn't. I did a bit of a test run on this side, as you can see there, got the splitter add-on in there, just to give myself a bit of practice off camera before we start on camera. So yeah, anyway, we'll start with the hardest bit first. So thankfully Flow thought ahead. When you order these winglets separate, for anyone that's got a V1 kit, they send you this template right here. So you basically tape that to the bottom of your skirt, drill the holes and put the things in, and that basically is a template for where this lines up. So yeah, you guys get the idea. I'm bad at explaining things sometimes, but anyway, so this template, grab them, he goes under here somewhere like this. Just going to use some masking tape to tape them up, and then we'll drill some holes and whatnot. I should probably show you guys these little thingies too. So these little johns here, camera will focus, there we go, got them. These are what you put in, so there's like an Allen key bit in the end here, and then there's thread, and this kind of threads itself. It's not really focusing, but you guys, if you buy the kit, will understand. Yeah, these thread themselves into the plastic, and then yeah, 6mm Allen key to do them up. So yeah, take the thing on, drill the holes, put these in, take the brown thing off, you don't need that afterwards, just a heads up, and put the winglets in. Taping up right now. So I've got the template all taped up along here, as you can see. Try hold them nice and tight. I just had 3 pieces of tape, duct tape. So basically now we're ready to drill. We've got a 9mm drill bit. Drill 1, 2 and 3 just down the end there. For the grub screwy type thingies that I was talking about before, that are over here. So these 3, see if I can get the camera to focus this time. Probably not. But anyway, you can kind of see, even though it's blurry, how it's spiky around the outside. So basically those things like self-tap themselves into the plastic here. So grab my drill bit and drill away. Here we go, boys. Oh yuck. Make sure you drill right through the skirt as well. I don't know why they tell you to do that, but they do. I guess it holds itself in the... guess it taps itself into the skirt as well. So drill right through, just like I say. All the shit out, and that's that basically. Get rid of this because he's no longer needed. Now we've got our 3 holes drilled. We got our cable ties holding our skirt splitter on, because I was lazy the first time I put this on and didn't put all the stuff in. A rookie mistake, but oh well. So basically now we get our 6mm Allen key and our 3 grub screws, and we chuck those in. And just like that, we got the 3 thingies in, the 3 grub screws. So basically now all you gotta do is grab your winglet, grab the short hardware and a washer and put them in. Don't do them up too tight because you don't want to pull it back out, but just firm enough that it's holding in, and then that's it, done. Side splitter, easy as that. So we've got our side winglet, as you can see, S15 side winglet, and we've got our 3 little screws. So chuck them on under here, and this is made so you have a bit of play, so you can adjust how aggressive you want these. I'm just having mine right in, I don't want them super aggressive, I just want that little bit of extra flair. So chuck them on, do them up, that's the side skirt done. So there we have them, boys and girls. Little winglet on, nice and tight. As you can see, these pieces are the adjustment. Oh, that one's not that tight, but you get the point. Tighten them up, that's the adjustment, so you can slide them in and out. I'm having mine right in because I reckon that looks nice and sleek. So there you go, step 1. We'll jump onto the back for step 2. So just like that, end cap, rear pod, whatever, this John, and side skirt, all done. So now we're just going to jump on to the front lip, and the front lip essentially is the same as the side skirt. They give you templates and you mark it all out. Oh, look, here you go. Templates. And you can mark it all out and then put your kit on. Luckily for me, Chris actually sent me a new front lip that already has all that stuff in it, so I'm not going to bother, I'm just going to swap my front lip over. But for you guys know how to do it now. Tape these on into the correct location, put your 6 grub screw fitting screw thingies in, and that's it, you're all done. So front bumper's already off, if you can see it creeping down the bottom there. So I'll quickly pull the old lip off, put the new one on, get the kit fitted up. So I just had a bit of food because I was hungry, and I got my front bumper off. You can see I've got the old Flow lip on here. So luckily that's all drilled out, so that's going to be easy. And then I've got my new Flow lip here, so take that one off, put this one on, and put the winglets and stuff on it. So I finally got the lip off my front bumper, so now we're going to show you the differences between the 2 lips and why I'm changing, and also what you essentially are doing if you are just converting your old lip to the version 2 lip. So as you can see here, this is the new lip. It's got these brass fittings in here. They kind of look like they've been molded. I'm not sure how Flow go around doing it. There's also these little black ones here. But yeah, new lip, old lip. I'd always take these spacer things out. I don't know what those actually do, but I'll always get rid of them. So I'll take those out. We will put our extensions in. You have to put one of them on just before you put the bumper on, because otherwise it makes it a mission. Just these ones here. So I'll do that and we'll start putting it back on the front bumper, get it all situated on the car, and then I'll put the car on the ground and we'll take a look at the overall kit. So I've got the lip situated. I just chucked a couple of bolts in the end there just to hold it, but you can see these thingies and the adjustment, and that black nut sits under there, so that's why you need to put it on first. But yeah, go through, put all the bolts in the back of here, put the bumper on, then adjust my winglets and stuff and get it sitting how I want it to sit, and that's it, it's done. Put the car back on the ground and we're good to go. So I got my front bumper on now, he's just chilling loosely as you can see, and I've got these, so basically got my front lip on, got these extension pieces here that go under here, and then you need also your winglet that goes through the same bolt holes, so you need to put him on before you tighten the rest of the screws that go along the front here, and set them up where you want them basically, and then the whole way along you will have full Flow kit. So I've got everything on now. I got my front bumper done. As you just saw in that clip, I didn't actually secure the bumper on because to get the car back off the stands, I have to take my front bumper off. Low car things, you know how it is. But anyway, do a quick walk around just on the stands now. You can see, got the stuff all situated. Got my front splitter with this extra little lip here, and on this side here, and that one there, and then obviously this side's done, and this side's done. I did those ones off camera, like I said at the start, just to have a bit of a practice before I misinform you guys incorrectly. But yeah, basically, that's it. So it's all done. I'm not sure if I will keep my car like this, to be completely honest. I think it's maybe a bit aggressive for the styling of my car with not having a wing and stuff like that, but I do think it looks good, so I'll run it for a bit, see what I reckon. If I don't like it, simple as that, just pull it off and leave the one flow piece there. So anyway, I'll pull the front bumper off now, get the car on the ground and tighten everything properly so you guys can have a good look at what the car actually looks like. So the car's all back on the ground now. Oh, as you can see, excuse my poor front bumper fitment, but it's just cable tied on for now because I need to take it on and off and on and off and on and off and on. You know how it goes when working on cars. But anyway, main point of this, full flow version 2. Not bad, not bad. But yeah, anyway, I hope this guys helps. I hope this video helps you guys out with updating your flow kit to version 2. That helped me not be bored for one day of lockdown, so I can't complain. Cheers, Flo, thanks for that. And we'll see you in the next video.